Is it recording?
Yeah.
Look at it. You know, pretty choice.
I can't believe he went in my bag to try and pull them out.
He hunted them right down. Here, let me get them out.
There's Atlantis. Hi, Atlantis.
That was the chewy one. There has to be nip in it.
Look at him go.
Maybe they were near where there was nip.
Maybe. Oh my god.
It doesn't say anything.
Oh my god. Hilarious.
Here, bananas. You want one?
Mike's like, no, that one's mine too. I don't think she knows what to do with it. Mike's like, nope, mine.
She's like, mine. You see that?
Yeah. Oh my god, funny.
That's funny. He seems to love it.
Good job, Mom.
Oh, he's tearing it apart.
Oh, now he's smelling it.
They're so cool. He's gonna rip them up. Oh well.
They are toys.
She's just like, I like mine.
Uh-oh. Oh. And she's just like...
She's just chilling. She's still getting used to everything.
She's like, I am enjoying the scent. I am a connoisseur of the scent.
Oh, that is their long fur. She's laying on it, look. Oh, she's
Aww. She has a new cuddle buddy.